Good morning, class. Today we are going to do chapter 3, Accounts of Partnership Firms, Fundamentals. Now, in this chapter, we will learn about calculation of interest on capital. Let's look at the formula. Interest on capital is equal to amount of capital into rate of interest into time. Now, if capital at the beginning is not given, we should find out the opening capital using the format given below. So you have particulars, the amount, capital at the end, and you put the amount over there. Then add drawings, and you put the amount here. And after totaling this two, you get this answer. And then next, less profit during the year, you put the amount here. Less additional capital introduced, you put the amount here, and which will give you the capital at the beginning. Now let's look at illustration 5. Manan and Ramesh share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. The capital on 1st April 2017 was rupees 80,000 for Manan and rupees 60,000 for Ramesh. And the current accounts show a credit balance of rupees 10,000 and rupees 5,000 respectively. Calculate interest on capital at 5% per annum for the year ending 31st March 2018 and show the journal entries. So, we have the current accounts which shows a credit balance. We are not going to take the current account. And now the question tells us to find the interest on capital at 5%. The percentage is 5. And then we have to show the journal entries too. So let's look at the solution. So on top we write calculation of interest on capital. Then we write the formula. Interest on capital is equal to amount of capital into rate of interest. Then interest on Manan's capital, which is 80,000 into 5 by 100, that is 5%, 5 by 100, which gives us 4,000. Then interest on Ramesh's capital, 60,000 was his capital into the rate of interest, which gives us 3,000. Let's look at the journal entries. We prepare the format, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, credit. 2018 March 31st date. So first we write interest on capital account, debit to Manan's current account and to Ramesh's current account. And the narration which we will give is interest on capital provided. So in the debit is the interest on capital account, we are debiting this because it becomes an expense for us. So we have to give back. So we put over here 7,000 and their amount is 4,000 and 3,000. Then this is interest on capital is provided. Next, we close this capital, interest on capital. So from the profit and loss appropriation account, we debited with 7,000 to interest on capital account 7,000, and the narration interest on capital closed. Now let's look at illustration 6. Anthony and Akbar were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Balance in their capital account on 1st January 2018 was Anthony rupees 60,000 and Akbar rupees 40,000. On 1st April 2018, Anthony introduced additional capital of rupees 10,000. Akbar introduced additional capital of rupees 5,000 during the year. Calculate interest on capital as 6% for the year ending 31st of December 2018. So let's look over here. Here on 1st January, Anthony's capital is 60,000 and Akbar's is 40,000. On 1st April, Anthony has introduced additional capital of 10,000. So on 1st April. But Akbar has introduced 5,000 during the year. During the year he has introduced. The date is not given. So calculate the interest on capital as 6% per annum. Now let's look at the solution. Calculation of interest on capital. So interest on Anthony's capital is equal to, we'll write on opening capital for 1 year is 60,000 into 6 by 100, 3,600. Then on additional capital for 9 months, because he's introduced on 1st of April, from April to December, 9 months. So 10,000 into 6 by 100 into 9 by 12, you get 450. So the total interest on capital is 4,050. We add up 3,600 plus 450. Now let's look at interest on Akbar's capital. On opening capital for 1 year is 40,000 into 6 by 100, so 2,400. Then on additional capital for 6 months, 5,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12, which is 150. Now for a year he has given, they have not mentioned any date. So if they do not mention any date, we take it as 6 months. So interest on capital is 2,550, 2,400 plus 1,150, which gives us 2,550. Now let's look at illustration 8. From the following balance sheet of Shubha and Sudha, who share profits and losses equally, calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st of December 2017. So let's see the balance sheet as on 31st December. Liabilities, we have capital accounts Shubha and Sudha, that is 15,000 and 20,000, and the current liabilities is 15,000. So the total of the liability side is 50,000. Asset side, we have fixed assets 30,000, current assets 20,000. So total is 50,000. Now see, these capitals are closing capital. It is not an opening capital. It's 31st December. So it is closing. But we have to find interest always on the opening capital. So let's see the solution. First we'll prepare particulars Shubha and Sudha. Then closing capital. For Shubha it is 15,000 and for Sudha it is 20,000. Add drawings. For Shubha it is 2,500 and Sudha 3,500. Then we get the total for Shubha 15,000 plus 2,500, 17,500, and Sudha 20,000 plus 3,500 is 23,500. Then we less profits, so we 7,500 and Sudha is also 7,500 because they are sharing the profit equally. Then you get the opening capital, which is 10,000 for Shubha and Sudha 16,000. So we have found out the opening capital. Now we calculate the interest on capital. So Shubha is on opening capital 10,000 into 6 by 100, it is 600, and for Sudha on opening capital 16,000 into 6 by 100, which gives us 960. So that's all for today. Thank you, class.